In this video, I'll show you how to check your Facebook join date using the app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. After that, tap your profile picture or name to go to your profile page. Once your profile opens, look for the three dots next to the Edit Profile button and tap on them. This will open your profile settings and options. From here, tap on Activity Log. On the Activity Log page, look for the Filters option near the top of the screen and tap on it. Now select Categories, then scroll down and choose Account History. In this section, you'll be able to see important account activities, including when your Facebook account was created. Scroll through the list until you find the first entry that shows when your account was joined or created. Another way to check is by going back to your profile and tapping See Your About info, then scrolling to the Details About You section where your join date may also appear. These options help you quickly find when your Facebook account was first created. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.